In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook account temporarily unavailable. So if you're facing such error, what you can do is try accessing your account through web browser or through desktop. Simply open up Chrome or any web browser. Then in the search bar, search for facebook.com. Then click on its login page and then try to log into your account. And if it is still not working, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to Facebook icon. Then click on more features. From here, go into app info. Click on force stop, then confirm it. After that, go to storage uses. Here you can see clear cache written in bright red. Click on it. Once the cache is clear, you can try restarting your app or simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. And from here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after all of this, if the error persists, then simply wait for 24 hours. Sometimes it might be the server issue from the Facebook side. They will fix it soon enough. And if not, sometimes Facebook may have asked for your two-factor authentication. You can check your email or WhatsApp. There you might find some link or some code. From there you can verify your two-factor authentication and then it might approve your account again. And if it's still not working, then you can simply visit Facebook Help Center. From there you can simply tell your problem when it stopped working and they will fix it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.